Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 68 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we continue barreling through our exercises on 6 notes in the time signature of 6/8 with exercises 100 through 102.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
I'm linking these 3 exercises together because they share similar components, even they're not direct inversions. I want you to just be careful that the patterns change in really subtle ways. So make sure you really have a handle on the pattern before you go forward with the exercise. So let's start with exercise 100 and just note that now we've got that major third jump in the beginning, okay? So make sure you're tuning those thirds as we go through. They alternate, right, between major and minor thirds. So that's going to sound a little bit different in your ear. Here is exercise 100. And here is exercise 101. These ones are a little bit tricky because they do require a lot more breath. So feel free, again, to take your breaths when you need to. If you can't take this up to a quicker tempo and you need some breaths in between, that is totally fine. Accuracy is more important. So really just feel your body out where it is that day or where you just feel you want to work, okay? And now we're going to look at exercise 102. Again, which has that like wiggle, and we're going to be doing a lot of these wiggling between 2 notes, which is going to lead us into our trill exercises coming up. So let's get ready. And here is exercise 102. Oh.